in this lab activity, we start with a storage account. Now we need to block access to this storage account from the internet and allow a certain set of Class C network to be able to use the service. So we head over to the Firewall and Virtual Networks. Select the network. Now here, if we want to specify a Class C that includes a specific set of range, like that. Now we're going to use a CIDR notation. So make sure it's /24 here. And click on Save. We will now need to configure our storage account to provide HTTPS access only. So to do that, head over to Configurations of your storage account. Make sure Secure Transfer Required is enabled. If it's disabled, make sure you turn it to enabled and save the change. Now back to the resource group. We also have a recovery service vault. Now in this recovery service vault, we want to ensure the backup stored in this recovery service vault is the cheapest possible. We can go to the properties of the recovery service vault, scroll down to the backup configuration, and make sure we select locally redundant storage for the backup. Click on Save. The next activity involves peering. Please refer to the previous lab on how to establish peering. We have a virtual machine called VM1. We need to provide this demo VM1 a public IP. We can go to Networking, select the network interface, in the IP configuration, select IPconfig 1, enable public IP, create a new public IP, select Save. All right, now we can see there's a public IP assigned to the adapter. You may want to give this page a refresh. Next, we need to set up some NSG rules to allow RDP access into this virtual machine. Service tag, Internet, destination port 3389, TCP, allow. Now we're also going to create a block rule. In fact, I'm going to refresh it to see the rule has been created. Now we need to create another rule that blocks internet inbound on all other ports besides 3389. Now to make an explicit rule, click on Add Inbound Rule, service tag, internet. Destination port star, TCP, deny. Now make sure the priority is placed below the RDP rule. And that's that. Right. Now I did not give it the correct name, but it should be inconsequential. So if you fix it. All right, so I'm going to create this again. Service tag, internet, across all port ranges, TCP, TCP protocol deny, priority 110, block internet TCP inbound.